to take whatever was useful to Brazilian culture from first world culture from Europe. So they took a lot from futurism, Dada, all the new wave of European culture, and they incorporated it, but they did not copy it. So when I was writing this theory, I was thinking of copying and coming up with something new. You know, what's the concept of original? And what I realized is that when you incorporate something and you output it as your own creation, you're not copying, because no two individuals are alike. We may have a lot of similarities, but what we integrate, how we digest it, is according to our individual experience in the world, and the way we output it also obeys that individuality. So when you know, people say copy culture, I don't necessarily agree that it is copy culture. Of course, we have piracy. You know, like in China, it's a very clear practice of piracy. But I'm not talking about piracy in digital anthropophagy in this theory. What I'm talking about is taking something and integrating it into a new context. And when you output it, it has its originality, because it obeys the way you process, the way you metabolize information. So I'll go to this work called Digital Anthropophagy, which received the distinction of the William Flusser Theory Award at Transmediale in 2011. This work started, like I said, from the idea from the experience of making this film, and then I started researching cannibalism. But I want to stop this film.